Everyone, this is Team BroCode and we present to you Calmify, a mobile application which heals depression through self-care. So let us give you a background. 1 in 7 Singaporeans suffer from mental health issues, with depression being the most common. So some of the symptoms of depression are given here. What a solution is: our app facilitates to calm the user's mental state by focusing on on healing through self-care. Some of the features that our app involves: journaling, self-care cards, look back on positive incidents, and emergency calling. So what journaling is? It provides the user a space to pour their heart and emotions out and ask them to enter what they are grateful for today and reflect upon it. The benefits of journaling would be that it allows the user to pour their heavy thoughts and emotions out, and Calmify uses sentiment analysis to pick out the most positive statement from their entry to remind them about it later. Self-care cards mentioning different self-care practices and that are randomly generated, for example yoga, reading poems, etc. The user is supposed to perform the activity mentioned on the card, and resources such as YouTube links, poetry pages, etc. will be provided. Benefits: it motivates the user to take care of themselves and gives the user an opportunity to appreciate life, and provides a calming and soothing effect to the user's mental state. Look back to positivity. What it actually is that a user can choose a day from a calendar, and Calmify will provide the user with positive things that happened with them on the selected day. This list is obtained by scraping the regular journal entries and passing them through a sentiment analysis model to pick out the positive statements. The user can choose to read the entire journal from his sentences scraped, and the benefits of this would be to build a positive outlook, and it will remind the person that he or she has something positive to look back to from every day of his or her life. Emergency calling: it allows the user to call his or her close contacts and emergency hotlines, and the benefits of it would obviously be to make them feel comfortable. This is our team. We have Ananya Singh, myself, Srishti Arora, Kimberly Tan, and Rachita Agarwal. We'll be now moving on to our demo.